Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to tag someone on our Instagram post. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to make sure that we do have an updated Instagram account. We can do so by going into our App Store and make sure that we do have an updated Instagram account. Once everything is updated, we can go ahead and log into our Instagram account. So once we are here, all we need to do then is to click the plus icon. And right after that, we're just going to choose for the photo or video that we wish to upload. So just like for example, I have here, and right after that, I'm going to click next. And if you notice, we do have here different filters that we can use. So just like for example, like that. And once everything is set, then we can go ahead and click next. So once we are routed on this page, we could go ahead and provide our captions. So just like for example, you have here enjoying life here in Bohol. So right after that, we can go ahead and click OK. And we can also include the location if we wish to, so just like for example like that. And since we want to tag someone on this post, what we need to do then is to click tag people. And with that, we can go ahead and tap the photo. And we just need to look for the person that we wish to tag on this particular post. So just like for example, this one. And once everything is set, then we can go ahead and click done. So once we are here, we can go ahead and click share. The photo is now successfully uploaded, and if you notice, we have a tag person in this particular post. So there you have it. That's how we are going to tag someone on our Instagram post. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.